Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about coupon codes. Not really anything big, but Airsoft GI and Evike. I'm going to be reading them off to you. So Airsoft GI. If you type in hot. Oh, and I haven't tested these. I just got them online. But if you just watch this, you can get a little bit of time off. So if you type in HOT, no capitals, hot. Capital G, you do gift, G-I-F-T, Tyler, T-Y-L-E-R, Jason, J-A-S-O-N, and Tim, T-I-M. Okay, so Evike 01 Madness, 50 off ship and handling, which I actually did, it did work. Yeah, so that's really, I saved like at least 30 bucks, so that's good. FB Fan 15, and no cat axe, or no CA tax. I don't know. You guys can't read my handwriting. I don't care. Oh yeah, if you guys are wondering what's at the top, plan for the next month. Yeah. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Just some coupon codes. And I hope you guys liked the video. And always remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. So, bye.